Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 2. Today we are going to start English grammar class. You can take out the English grammar book, chapter 15, page number 49. In page number 49 you can see describing word adjective. So what is adjective? An adjective are words which used to describe a noun. For example, it describes a noun. किसी का विशेषता बताता है, name. For example, a big camel. Camel is a name of an animal, right? So how it describe? For example, a big camel. Big is a adjective word and camel is a noun. So वो नेम को क्या उस इंसान का, उस एनिमल का क्या बता रहा है? विशेषता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हुमन. हुमन. सो हुमन a young woman. ओके, सो यंग, वो बहुत यंग लेडी है, राइट? नाउ फैट, अ फैट मैन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल थिन मैन और शॉर्ट पेंसिल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल thin paper, a long pencil, a thin boy, a dry shirt. So these are a noun. So this is a noun. You can see shirt, top, camel, rat. So this is the name. So what this word describe the noun. For example, dry shirt, गीला shirt. So wet, सूखा dry, wet top, big camel, बड़ा सा camel, small rat, छोटा चूहा, thin boy, पतला, fat man, man is a noun. So the word which describes the noun is called an adjective. So it describes the noun. For example, young woman, young lady. So young, the lady, it describes the words, okay? Old. So I am giving you some examples. Small, for example, poor. Poor. He is a poor boy. He is a poor boy. He is poor. He is a poor boy. So he is a pronoun, poor is an adjective, okay? Instead this word describe the boy. He is a poor boy. So now for example, slow. For example, baby. Slow. So how you will describe, how you will make sentence? They walk very slowly. They walk very slowly. So slowly is an adjective word and it is pronoun. So it describe, this word describe the pronoun, okay? You can use the word also. So I am giving you some words. Make the sentence. Number 1, wide. Wide is also an adjective word. You can describe, you can make sentence. Number 2, selfish. Number 3, proud. I am proud of you. So it describes, right? Quick. You have done your work very quickly. 5, warm. So do this homework. Make sentence. Make the sentence, okay? Now so what is adjective? What is a describing what adjective? Adjective are word used to describe a noun. Adjective are the word that describes a noun. So, the word shirt, camel, rat, boy, man, woman, pencil, book and paper are noun. And the word dry, wet, small, thin, fat, young, old, short, long, thick and thin describe the nouns. It describes the noun. These are called describing word adjective. So these are the words that describe the noun. Okay. Now it is an adjective. It is a describing word adjective. Okay. Now in next page you can see tick the pronouns among the following. The mango is sweet. So sweet. The coffee, tick the adjective. There is some mistake. You can write adjective. Okay. Tick the adjectives among the following. So cut the pronoun and write tick the adjectives among the following. The coffee is hot. Hot is also an adjective. It describes. So coffee is a name and hot is an adjective word. Describing word. The box is heavy. The box is heavy. This dog has long tail. Mona is a fat girl. So it describes the girl. वो लड़की का विशेषता बता रहा है. मोना कैसी है? मोना मोटी है. Right? So Mona is a fat girl. Now you can see, fill in the blanks with the describing words. The red ribbon is not long. It is short. These shoes are not old. They are new. This girl is not sad. She is happy. The coffee is not hot. It is cold. This man is not weak. He is strong. This man is, the coffee is not cold. He is strong. Mr. Ravi is not fat. He is thin. So, it describes the noun. It describes the person. Okay. So, this is your homework. You can do this in your copy. Exercise A and exercise B. Now, in next page, you can see, fill in the blanks with adjective words. The parrot is green in color. There are dash students in my school. There are 40 students in my class. Rose is pretty. Rose is a pretty flower. Now, Mr. Raj is an old man. Ritu is a great girl. Praveen has a yellow blue bag. Sorry. There are 40 students. Rose is pretty. And Mr. Raj is an old man. Yes. Ritu is a fat girl. Praveen has a great bat or two bats. The sky is blue. The grapes are sour. So, it describes the noun. The word, it describes the noun. This word describes the noun. So, you can write this in your book or in your copy. So, this is your homework, exercise E and exercise D. Color the box that contain adjectives. So, you have to color like this. So, this is an adjective word. You have to color by a color pencil. You can color it. So this is your homework, and look at these pictures and write describe words for each. So coffee, this is tea, and this is hot. So it describes. So I gave you the example. You have to write cold ice cream. So both you have to write. Okay, this is your homework exercise E and D. So we have finished the chapter 15. So for today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.